tissue world in Turkey has a big advantage for the East market. It's much easier for people to come and join us here. So we are expecting to see new faces into our business here.
The importance of that event as a regional event, it is really important to have that regional network. And if you think of that consolidation thing that I mentioned, and addressing certain regional important topics, this is of course good to push it to the audience, and then have them discuss in the panel discussion afterwards, and then here in the on the exhibition space.
What we think about this organization, it brings actually all the parties of the industry together, not only the raw material suppliers, but also the equipment manufacturers as well. And it creates a good synergy among all the industry, partners.